He's been doing this worse.
All of us make mistakes.
Some mistakes are bigger than others.
You could do like some of us do this, some of us do that.
Eric, where's Troy?
Troy's always late. Just give him like 15 minutes.
True.
5 minutes later.
Eric? Eric? Eric?
What, Max? What is the problem?
Troy's still not here.
Go check the green screen. Probably came from the back.
So here's the deal.
Oh, let's see if any of these people know what they're doing. Hey, any of you guys see Troy?
Troy who?
Troy Kappas?
Don't remember that guy.
You have a problem. Bro, let's just go check his favorite spots. He's got to be in one of them.
Sounds like a plan.
Troy, what are you doing here?
I'm in ceramics now.
I thought you were taking DNN.
No, I take ceramics to graduate.
What about the anchor position?
Guess we'll have to give it to someone else.
It won't be the same without you.
It really won't.
All right, good morning, everyone. We called this group meeting today because we have an issue. It has come to our attention that Troy has ditched us. He's ditched us for ceramics.
So we need someone to volunteer or someone to step up to be the new anchor.
I'll do it. Let's go.
What's going on, Nighthawks? I'm Giovanna Vega,
And I'm Kyle Catley.
and welcome back to the DNN Pulse.
Hey, Giovanna, what do you call a guy that wears cowboy clothes?
I don't know.
Ranch dressing.
Let's see what jokes our teachers at Del Norte have.
Miss T, good luck.
Good luck, Mr. Lansberger. How do you organize an outer space party?
I have no idea.
You plan it.
No. I asked a Frenchman if he played any video games. He said, "Oui."
Why not? I don't know.
Oh yeah. I can't even hold it together. What do you call a fish with no eyes?
A sculpin?
A fish. It's a fish. Where does Batman go to the bathroom?
And his Batmobile? I don't know.
I hope not.
Sorry, that's...
It's gonna be a long commute. Stop it. Wow. Hey, did you know? I gave all my dead batteries away.
You did? Where'd you give them to?
Free of charge.
That's good. That's awesome. I used to work in a shoe recycling shop.
You did?
Yeah, but it was so destroying. Soul destroying.
It was soul destroying.
Sorry.
Drop it in the grinder, man.
Why do crabs never give to charity?
I don't know.
Because they're shellfish.
Oh, Grace. You know, sometimes we have to get a little personal. My wife, she keeps telling me to stop pretending to be butter. But I'm on a roll now.
You sure are, and she loves you dearly.
She does. Bless her soul.
Yeah. What's the Nevada city where all the dentists visit?
All the dentists visit. Lost molars?
Floss Vegas.
Oh, God. That is so bad.
I know. It's so bad, it's so good.
Hey, did you know that Hanukkah started on December 2nd?
No, but let's see how our fellow Nighthawks celebrate Hanukkah with their families.
Hi, my name is Ella, and my favorite tradition is going to my cousin's house because we only go over once a year, and it's a nice time to be reunited with them and eat a lot of food together. And my favorite food is potato latkes.
So, my name's Gil, and my favorite Hanukkah tradition is probably getting money because, like, instead of like Christmas where you go and you get all of the presents under the tree and you wake up, you just wake up to like $100 sitting on your desk, which is pretty sweet. My favorite Hanukkah food probably has to be sufganiyot, which is pretty much donuts. I really like donuts.
Hi, my name is Ariel, and my favorite tradition is lighting the candles with my family every night. And my favorite food is sufganiyot, which means donut in Hebrew.
Have you ever wondered what happens if you put dinosaurs and yoga together?
No.
Well, you don't have to wonder anymore. Let's take it to dinosaur yoga.
Sama and Chad interviewed a fellow Nighthawk over some hot wings.
Let's see how it went.
Hi, my name's Salma. I'm here with my friend Maya, and welcome to Del Norte's Hot Ones. All right, okay, so let's get into it. First, we're gonna start with our hot sauce, and then I'm gonna start asking you some questions. So,
good.
Yeah.
Is that good?
Oh yeah, yeah.
1, 2, 3.
Oh. This is what's really hot. Okay. Do you think old dances, do you think those were as cringy as current modern dances that are trendy right now? Because we do them, but we know they're cringy.
I think our dances now are cringier. I feel like you needed more skill. Every 10-year-old is flossing nowadays.
Alright, next question. Next hot sauce bottle. Alright, Gringo Bandito, let's go.
I feel like I should be trained for this.
Okay.
Please don't throw up.
Have you ever met... Whew! Have you ever met a celebrity or anyone famous?
Okay. So my cousin is like a film major, and he gives Danny DeVito film editing lessons.
So Danny DeVito, like from Matilda?
Yeah.
Meme Danny DeVito. That's awesome.
So great.
Alright, so the last one we're gonna do right here. Marie Sharp's Beware heat level. Okay, my next question is, I'm gonna explain that post. So I have a post right here. So you're on the moon and it says the moon landing was fake.
So this is actually a Photoshop job done by my friend Sabrina. She's super creative and she just really loves to like play with like Photoshop. And
Yeah, no, I was looking at a lot of her stuff and a lot of the edits are very like surreal and like psychedelic. That's awesome.
Yeah. Yeah, that's all the time we have for today for Del Norte Hot Ones. Any final things you want to say?
Go follow Cool Edits by me. That's my friend Sabrina. You'll find a lot of cool stuff.
All right. That's all the time we have for today. Thank you for tuning in, Nighthawks, and we'll see you next week.
A new chapter to the 2018 Nighthawk athletics season has begun.
And Chad and Andrew are back again to catch you up to speed on what to expect from our winter athletics.
Let's check it out.
Welcome back to DNN Nighthawks. Trimester 1 is behind us, leaving many of exciting sports, games, and memories behind.
But don't worry, the winter season of Nighthawk athletics has plenty in store, from high sailing dunks to spectacular goals on both the pool and the pitch.
Nighthawk basketball is back, and both the boys and girls are hungry for a comeback season. The boys have started 7-2, in which in 4 of their games they have scored more than 70 points.
The girls are 2-2, but this season is just the beginning. San Diego Prep Insider has the Lady Nighthawks ranked as one of the top 12 teams in San Diego right now.
Every time I watch water polo, I find myself frantically replaying freshman swim PE in my brain, but that doesn't take away from the fact that the girls' water polo teams this winter are very exciting to watch. I highly recommend you go and see one of their games this season.
The Del Norte boys soccer team has never been better, coming off 2 straight CIF championships and looking for a three-peat. No one likes a team that wins all the time, so all the Nighthawk opponents surely have them circled on their schedule this year. Make sure to go out to one of their games to support them.
The girls' soccer team is no stranger to winning as well, coming off a 12-6-5 season in which Nighthawks have both of the Palomar League's top returning scorers coming back. Junior Morgan White and senior Megan Donovan look to come back and dethrone Poway, last year's league champion.
Boys wrestling has a new coach, and they look to improve upon their play and become one of the top teams in the Palomar League. After a great turnout to tryouts, the girls rugby team looks to have a committed and promising young talent to put forward on the pitch.
This has been your 2018 Winter Sports Preview. Thank you for watching, and best of luck to all of our Nighthawk athletes.
Be sure to come out to the improv show tonight at 7 o'clock in the PAC.
Tickets are $5 at the door.
This is Giovanna,
And Kyle.
and we'll see you next time, Nighthawks.